Welcome to Online Tools Master. Today, we're exploring the Centered Icon Maker, the world's simplest online icon centering tool created by Browserling. This tool instantly moves any PNG icon to the exact center of its canvas, horizontally, vertically, or both. This tool fixes it instantly. To use it, open your browser, search online pngtools.com, and head up to Centered Icon Maker. Inside the tool, you'll find options to keep the original icon size or set a new size, center horizontally, center vertically, shift up or down or left or right, detect background color, and display borders for accuracy. Now, let's see 3 examples in action. Example 1. Center the share icon. Here is the input image, a share icon placed slightly off-center, and here is the output image showing the icon perfectly aligned in both directions. To create this result, we uploaded the PNG, kept the original icon size, enabled center horizontally and center vertically, kept both shift values at 0, set the background to transparent, and optionally enabled display icon borders to verify perfect placement. Here is the final centered share icon, and to download it, simply click Save As. Example 2. Horizontally center a bat icon. Here is the input image, a bat icon hanging upside down near the top, and here is the output image showing the icon centered horizontally while staying at its original vertical position. To produce this result, we uploaded the PNG, kept the original icon size, enabled center horizontally, left center vertically disabled, kept both shift values at 0, and kept the background transparent. This places the bat evenly between the left and right edges while keeping its natural top alignment. Here is the final horizontally centered bat icon, and to download it, click Save As. Example 3. Center the comet icon with a new size. Here is the input image, a large rectangular comet icon, 860 by 740, and here is the output image showing the resized icon centered inside a square canvas. To achieve this, we selected Specify New Icon Size, entered 580 by 580, enabled both center horizontally and center vertically, set a horizontal shift of +20 and a vertical shift of -20 to bring the comet's main shape closer to the visual center, kept the background transparent, and enabled display icon borders for accuracy. Here is the final adjusted comet icon, and to download it, just click Save As. Before we wrap up, stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Also, don't forget to check our last videos on Create PNG Sequence from GIF and Step Between Two Colors. Try the Centered Icon Maker yourself at onlinepngtools.com. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more quick and powerful tutorials.